Yeah, good morning. Stephen I4 from I4 Fortune, creating fortunes for the future. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Hey guys, some more videos regarding trading. In this particular video, trading on MetaTrader 4 platform. Here's one account that I've got, and I just opened this up last night just to give you a bit of demonstrations. Basically, all these accounts are using live charts, and the importance of using these live charts to gauge where the market is going or where your assets that you are following is going. It certainly helps when you're following all the indicators like resistance and support. So let me explain what is the resistance and the support lines are. Down the bottom here, if you'll have a look where this particular chart or the asset, this particular asset is USD, GPY has come down and sort of level off with each other. For this particular bottom off, that's called a support line. Now if you have a look up the top here, this particular asset from up here, these peaks here, they seems to be in line with each other, and that's what we call sort of a resistance line. And here's another example, a great example here, two resistance points here. That gives us an indication that when you have a lot of resistance, normally the asset will drop. Or if it's the other way, for example this way, when you have a support line, it normally is supposed to take the assets back up. It's not always the 100% sure thing, but it gives you an indication. Then you can trade successfully just using support and resistance. SNR it was called. But anyway, here we go. This is just, as I said, this is a brand new account I wanted to open up to start a brand new account and showing you some sort of open trades. And what is important also using these meta trades, especially Forex, that you manage your funds. I got 100,000 Ks here, and I'm only using 10% of each trade on each trade. That's a very, very minimal amount. There's a reason being for that. Now, whenever the market goes against you, that's what you're preparing for. And not every time that you're going to be winning. And that's why it's only a small margin of capital exposed to the market. To allow all the other capital that you have in storage to cover if it's going against you. For example, this particular top one I made last night, it was a buy position or call position, but it has come against me, and I've lost 51.12 cents, $51 since last night. This morning I woke up and checked the account. Now the particular asset hasn't moved up as much as I expected, but the chart does show some support line, which is quite strong. And as you can notice, there's 3 points here for a support line there. That will give me a strong indication this asset's going to move up, so that's why I open up another position. Just using support line and any resistance lines that you may find. And of course you can adjust the time frame of the chart by just clicking the time frame that's available on your chart. This is 30 minutes ago, or you can go an hour ago. As we can see, a very similar sort of effect. Down the bottom here, there's a couple of support line here. There's another one here before the asset moved upwards. Now, it's not perfect, as I said. Let me take us to say a day ago. Let's look for some support line. Here's a classic one there. There's a support line. Here's another support line, but it didn't move up as much. But at least you can make some money following that support line. Notice how it made you money between where that is now, which is around about what is it? Low 112.67 to this new level, which is 114.385. So you can make a bit of money in that rise there. But mind you, this chart here is a day chart, or change from up these icons up the top, where I can take it down to a minute, or tick charts, for example, where this is moving quite rapidly. Now, a minute, it might not give you a lot more finer details. This is 5 minutes. It might give you a little bit more. As you can see, there's a support line between there, but there's down this peak and this one here that's been developed, and notice it's going up. You can make money between here and now, or wherever this asset's going to rise, probably to this point here. Here we go, which is 114.324 to where it is now at 114.042. So you can capitalize on these small movements. They might not be as big as these movements here, but at least you can still make money on the upside down, on the upside movement of the assets. Now, I get excited showing you these videos because these strategies can be applied successfully. Now, what is also imperative is you try these systems out or strategies that I'm showing you on a demo account and see how effective they work for you before you apply the strategy on your real account, Now, it's important, as I said, in the time and time again, to practice to know where certain movements of the asset is moving, applying a little bit of common sense in world activities. There's a lot of things happening, and you've got to get a small movement. Like, for example, if you took this particular asset from up the top here, and it dropped, you put a put position on it, you would have capitalized on that gradual drop of the assets. So these are the sort of things that you're looking for to make some income or generate some profit anyway from these MT4 trading platforms. This is nothing new to professionals, but it can be enhanced anyway greatly by the new traders. And just following, as I said, the strategy of S&R, support and resistance, you can do pretty well. And like I said, practice and practice is the greatest things you have. And find live chart examples that will give you that exposure to the real market. Not if you're, not putting your capitals on at risk, but using the company's great demo account to help you identify certain movements, certain strategies, and certain assets that you can work with. And I too strongly suggest also work with at least just 1, 2, or 3 assets at a time. Don't have too many. Preferably just one. Just follow that particular asset, and you tend to learn where it's moving gradually, but just following the same one over and over again. But anyway, I hope you trade well, trade successfully, stay away from scams. And this is Stephen R. Ford from R. Fortunes, creating fortunes for the future. We'll see you on our next video. Oops, sorry. Don't forget, on the right side of this video, there's a button, subscribe to my video, so you can get some more of my videos in the future. It will come automatically to your notice board on your YouTube. And it will let you know that I made another video, so you can have another scam over it. But I make so many videos at the benefit of few. So if I'm making some good videos, give me a comment down below. If I'm making useless videos, have your critical comment in there too. I'll appreciate it. But nevertheless, have an awesome day. We'll catch you in my next video. Bye for now.